Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the Calculus 1 Limited Tutorial Part 6, how to compute a limited with another method called conjugate method. Okay, so in Part 5, we're talking about just using direct substitutions, simplify, and expanding, right? So, and then in Part 6, we talk about how to use conjugate method. Okay, so if you haven't done the Part 5, please make sure you do it. This is consider it together. Okay, good. So how to do a conjugate method here? All right, so let's see these questions. When x approaches to -3, we got a problem, right? So we know we're going to got problems because otherwise will be very easy. We just substitute in and done. Okay, which is not going to happen. Okay, on the exams, you are not getting the directly substitute questions unless the first one of the exam is very simple. It's designed to like give you mark for free. Otherwise, you won't getting like a direct substitute. You're going to get something like that. Okay, so how do we do these things? Okay, we times the conjugate. Okay, so conjugate, the word is come from like English. So I'm not a very good with English. So just times something times a one times a number, upper and bottom are going to be same. Okay, so if you see square root and then you see minus a number or plus a number, you know you're going to use conjugate. So there isn't other ways. Just remember this. Okay, so conjugate means what? If these things minus this part, we say a minus b, so we're going to times a plus b. That means conjugate. A minus b and a plus b is a conjugate of each other's. So we just times 2x plus 22 plus 4. 2x plus 22 plus 4. Okay, so plus 4 are the same on the top and bottoms. So I'm timing fractions with upper and bottoms are the same. So pretty much I'm timing just 1. Okay, so I didn't change the identity of these functions. Okay, now what do we do? So why we times these things? Because we want to apply one of the identities, which is a minus b times a plus b equal to a squared minus b squared. Now the upper part we can just make them into square. Goes to -3. The bottom we don't care. We just x plus 3 and then times everything we got here. We know this is going to work out. Okay, so why? We just know, because if it not work out, there's not something we can solve. Okay, so a minus b, a plus b, just a squared minus b squared. So square root square just canceled, so be 2x plus 22. Okay, minus 4 squared, which is 16. Okay, so on the top part equal to 2x plus 6. And then we can collect the 2 out, which is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, same thing. All right, the bottom part is the x plus 3. Okay, now you may already understand this. Okay, so why are we going to times the conjugate? Because we're going to kill this troublemaker. The x plus 3 is our troublemaker. So if we somehow getting the troublemaker on the upside and the lower side together, we can cancel this out. So after we cancel the troublemaker out, we can simply apply the simple substitution here. Okay, so we don't have x plus 3. That means now if I plug in x equals -3, we don't have 0 denominator problems. So we're just going to equal to 2 on the top. The bottom equal to square root of what? 2 times -3, which is equal to -6 plus 22, equal to -6 plus 22 plus 4, which is equal to 2 square root 16, right? Square root 16 is the 4 plus 4, which is equal to 1 over 4. That's it. Make sense? Okay, that's how to using conjugate to compute a limited. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer your question in my next videos. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.